If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making MAUSI MAA PODA PITHA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about half a cup of wheat flour or atta, half a cup of jaggery or gur, a quarter cup of grated coconut. Then take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Half of a banana leaf or kele ka patta, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, then quarter cup of KHUA or KHOYA. And if you want to know how to make that, then you can check my episode on that. I will give a link in the description box below. And half a teaspoon of salt. Now take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium. And to the milk, add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes, you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible, tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the chena, slowly pour some water on top of it to get rid of the sour lemon flavor. Now in a bowl, take all the atta along with half a cup of chena, KHUA, grated coconut, all the gur, powder, ghee and salt. Now with the help of a spoon, combine these really well. Then add water as required to make a thick batter. Just like this. Now take a small pan, then cut and align the banana leaves into it and pour all the batter on top of it, just like this. Now place another leaf portion on top and again cover it with a lid. Now place the pan over low flame and let it cook for roughly about half an hour to 1 hour, which will depend on the type of pan you are using and how much quantity you are making. So check in every 10 minutes after half an hour, and when it's done, it should look like this. Now let it cool down, then cut into cubes. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, MAUSI MAA PODA PITHA. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.